Hi Naija tribe, it's Naija Barbie back with another plant-based video. Tonight is about weeknight spiced greens. They're so healthy for you, and I just put a little twist on it with adding some more spices and some herbs and some tomatoes. So we're going to start off with grilling our onions and some oil and adding some canned tomatoes that have been drained. Then we're going to add our spice blend. You can add whatever spices you like. I put in turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin, and smoked paprika, and just toss that up and saute them with the onions and the tomatoes. Added a little bit of vegetable stock, and then I added in a mix of collard greens, after some red pepper flake, and rainbow Swiss chard. And I let that saute for a minute and then let that steam for a few minutes on the stove top, and we've got an awesome healthy dish. All of the ingredients that I use will be listed below along with their measurements, so be sure to check out the description box. And if you give this a try, be sure to let me know on social media and let me know what you think. This is a great weeknight meal. Get some healthy, tasty greens in your family's systems. Let me know what you think, guys. Talk to you soon. Be back.